Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, respected principal, teacher, and all my dear friends. I am going to speak few lines on Independence Day. This year we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. Independence Day is the national festival of our country. On 15 August 1947, India became independent from the British rule. Our great freedom fighters devoted whole life for the independence of our country. We should be grateful and respectful towards our great freedom fighters who led the struggle against the British rule in India, namely Tipu Sultan, Maulana Rashid Ahmad, Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madani, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Bhagat Singh, Ashfaqullah Khan, Mahatma Gandhi, and others. Let's promise to be good citizens and make our country proud. Thank you.